Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common Excel headache: how to get rid of those pesky dollar signs in your formulas. If you're working with spreadsheets in Excel 2025, you know that dollar signs can turn a simple formula into a frustrating puzzle. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step, so you can make your sheets more flexible and error-free. First off, let's quickly understand what these dollar signs mean. In Excel, a dollar sign like in $1 makes a cell reference absolute, meaning it won't change when you copy or drag your formula. That's great for some scenarios, but often, you want relative references that adjust automatically. So, if you've got a formula with unwanted dollar signs, it's time to remove them. Step 1. Open your Excel workbook and navigate to the cell with the formula you want to edit. Double-click on the cell or click in the formula bar to make it editable. Now, locate the part of the formula with the dollar sign, for example, something like equals sum, $B $2, $B $10. Step 2. To remove the dollar sign, you have a couple of options. The easiest is using the F4 key. While your cursor is on the cell reference in the formula, press F4, and it will cycle through absolute, mixed, and relative references. Keep pressing until the dollar signs disappear. For instance, pressing F4 on $B $2 might change it to B2, which is exactly what you want for a relative reference. If the F4 key isn't working for you, maybe due to your keyboard settings, just edit it manually. Simply delete the dollar signs in the formula. Remember, be careful not to mess up the rest of your formula. Once you've made the change, press Enter, and test it by copying the formula to another cell. It should now adjust relative to its new position. Pro tip: always double-check your formulas after changes to avoid any errors creeping in. There you have it. That's how you banish those dollar signs in Excel 2025. It's a simple tweak that can save you tons of time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or other Excel mysteries you'd like me to solve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.